The Christmas tree don't even got a chime. All of the Battyman Dem, they steal my shine. Batty. I spell that wrong. Battyman. What that spell? Mix up. Okay, go again. This song is for all the Battyman them who are trying to fight me and pull me down. And the Batty girl them too, don't forget yourself. Verse 1. You came here, you stole my shine. You checked my pockets, I don't got a dime. I am here right now, squeezing on this line. You check my Christmas tree, it don't even got no chime. All of the Battyman them steal my shine. All of the Battyman them steal my shine. Batty. Man, what's that spell? You came over here, you stole my shine. The pension was run, I don't collect a dime. It's 3 days to Christmas, I don't get a dime. Verse 2. I work at night, I work at day, no matter how much I play. I work at night, I work at day, no matter how much I play. The Battyman Dem out batty me. See that now Christmas can show upon me. Check around the back. Check around the back. Not even the Christmas tree. Tell me. Am I wrong? Am I lying? I'm just spitting the truth. The Battyman Dem, they steal my shine. I bear walk them walk and try to style me. Terms to go curse. Battyman Dem, BATTYMON. What that spell? Battyman, pull up. What's that smell? If you ask me, that's the smell of hell. The Battyman Dem, they steal my shine. I can't even come on the grind. The Battyman Dem, they steal my shine. I can't even come on the grind. Alright, to be continued, guys. So how it sounds so far? What you guys say? What I would get out of 10? How much would you give me for my song? Let me know what's going on. Good, okay, thank you. 8 to 10. Alright, thank you. So I'm gonna write one more tonight, and then I'm gonna write up the Battyman challenge. It's gonna be as big as from here to here. Just like when I write up the TikTok thing one time. Yeah, I'm gonna write up the challenge and tell you guys what really going on over here, because you guys not seeing nothing, so I'm gonna have to show you guys. The Battyman Dem, they steal my shine. Christmas can't show upon me. If you don't believe, look around upon my Christmas tree. Yeah, pension was run, I don't collect a dime. Nothing was issued on my line. The Battyman Dem, they steal my shine. I'm gonna ride up my Battyman Charlie and I'm gonna do my campaign. Okay, we won't say you want out batty me, you want out pussy me, you want come here and tell me you got pussy and you don't got none. You want tell me you a girl, you not a girl. You want tell me you got tits, you don't got no tits. I'm not gonna lie for none of you guys. And that's that. I don't sit down and see if or I could write the chart. See what I'm gonna do. I could make a pie chart and put no stuff in there. Or you could do pie charts, or you could do these ones. These charts, these type of charts work. And then you label it. So either I use this or I use these. So I'm gonna go into it and I'm gonna do my shit. I'm gonna do it on cartridge paper so you guys could really see. So just come here on Christmas morning for my performance. And after the performance, I will not be giving no gifts and I will be crying and rolling outside and on the ground. And I'm gonna roll and roll and roll and cry about it. That we are hurting here in Jamaica. And the Battyman Dem not giving us a thing. You know, give us $1. We don't get nothing from them. I mean, I have to go diving. I mean, I have to go roll and ball and dive and roll. So, Christmas Day, I really have a lot to do. So, I'm going to come over here on that day because I really have a lot to do on that day. So, make sure someone come and everything because we're going to be rolling drop for free. If I want 2 drop, 1 wheel. If I want 1 drop, that I want flip gun. So, you have to make me know which one. On that day, because if I have $100, you must carry a calico on Christmas Day. You understand? I'm buy 1 rum, 1 pack of craving because they take me for a crackhead. 1 rum and 1 pack of craving. Yeah man, 1 pack of craving, 1 bottle of rum and 1 bottle of drinks, and I start the rolling and I start to do my thing and I ball and I elaborate. And when the rum sink in my head, I ball and I pray and I ball. Hey, I got you guys. Alright. No pension was run. I don't collect a dime. And then on New Year's now I'll start on my ex-boyfriends that I had. I mean I sound like a workless ex, you know. For them name I get caught on New Year morning. I mean I have to make sure say if them name get caught on New Year morning, all what I do to me I come up on that day because confession is good for the soul. I mean if you confess so I can move on. So all of my sexual experience, all I trigger them I come on. And I can remember if you talk about everything for New Year so I can move on. So you can talk where you want to talk. So I know upon Christmas morning, catch me on here rolling outside crying. We don't get nothing. We're going on strike as queens. And we got to do what we got to do to see $100. Because Christmas not show up on me. If you don't believe me, look round upon the Christmas tree. I don't need to be smart to see that. So Christmas not show up on her. So you know whose fault this is? The Battyman Dem father come over here, they out-batty us, they going like they better than us, they going like they shit can make party, they don't even talk to us, they don't even show no form of respect to us, so why should we show respect to them? Like I'm not showing no respect to none of them. I don't care who they are, I don't care what you want to say, I don't care none of that shit because the fact that you guys want to put me last, you guys are going to get bombed by Sodom and Gomorrah. Sodom and Gomorrah going to come and bomb this country. And I hope I'm not here when they bomb it. I want to be outside. I not want to be here when they come and bomb you. I don't want to be here. But when I see the bombing, I'm going to tell you guys. Remember you guys used to do me for Battyman? And you guys never saw it. Something was always wrong with you guys. And I knew it and I took myself away from that situation. And you guys stayed here. But me, I got to make sure say me gone. Sooner or later, when you can't see me, I saw me now. I'm in Jamaica. I got one next country to live. Yeah, I'm going to really support you that much. So bright and bold. When I pass certain style, let's get out of the earthquake come, that's the beginning. That's the blood clot beginning. Let's say other day a big earthquake come all of a sudden. That's just the beginning. Because it's going to only get worse and worse and worse. And I will not be here to even see none of this. And when it happens, Battyman Dem, they steal my shine. You check my pockets, I don't got a dime. I am here right now, squeezing on this lime. Christmas don't show upon me. If you not believe me, check crown on the back on the Christmas tree. Alright. The pussy clock. What's up, kiss? You good, honey? What you got going on? World fish? I don't know about no world fish or no. I'm not talking about no world dog. Like, my life don't revolve around that nigga. I know who I'm talking about. So, like, what the fuck? Unless that nigga is like that, because I don't know how his name get to call here so, because I'm never talking about him. That's fucked up. I wasn't talking about none of them dudes, supposedly, no. No. Then people here can't take me from rank. They over my ranking. They over my ranking? No, they're not over my ranking. So therefore, none of them the people that can't stop me from rank. Yeah, I'm gonna write a poem now. And then after I write a poem, I'm gonna write up the chart, the tally of the draft, and I'm gonna get a perfect rolling outfit for Christmas morning. I wanna get my outfit. I think I have some outfit that I can put on for Christmas. I could put on this one, I could put on this one, and a tights to make sure I'm able to roll. And while I roll, I cry and I sing the song then, and I express my gratitude and I express my feelings and I get my part or my word across the story, and then I cry and I pray, cry and I pray, I cry and I pray, cry and I pray until the Lord will answer the prayers for me. Yeah. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna write a poem. A verse 1. My poem. Dedicated to Battyman Dem. Alright, so you know, say January morning, I'm not gonna be the same. I'm not going with the parents of the chill with me. Because from the Christmas come, I'm not going to go ranking. I don't want to come back over for New Year. And I think I'll come back over up there. So I'm because I'm a campaign, I'm a ball, I'm a prayer, I'm a put my eye drop. Because I'm a water drop out on the paper, them, drop on the Bible, drop on everything. I'm just pray and pray and pray and pray until the Lord answer me. And He will answer me. And He will make a way for me. I won't have to need you guys anymore for no form of way. The Lord will answer me. I know You're going to answer me. Brit life is very liberal. I don't care, JT. Fuck you, JT. I tell you what I'm going to do already on Christmas morning. You come catch me over here, my campaign. I'm going to be doing my campaign, praying and crying for a change for 2024 prior. So I am looking forward for my new year. And for my new year, I will not be on TikTok for my new year. For my new year, I will be on other streaming apps making bread. But I have to leave my last I have to leave my last year to really showcase and show the people what's going on. And then when I leave